In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select 3 days on Airbnb. If you've ever been unsure how to choose exactly 3 days for a trip on Airbnb, don't worry. This is straightforward once you know the flow. We'll move step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to set a 3-night stay so your search results match your plans. Start by opening the Airbnb app. Give it a moment to load so the home screen is fully ready. From here, tap Search. This takes you to the main place where you tell Airbnb what you're looking for. Next, enter your destination in the location field. You can type a city, a region, or a specific area you're interested in. As you type, suggestions will appear. Choose the one that best matches where you want to stay. Setting the location first helps the app show you the right calendars and availability for that area. Now tap When. This opens Airbnb's calendar. Think of this as the date picker where you'll define the exact span of your stay. To select 3 days, meaning 3 nights, you'll choose your arrival day and then the day you check out after staying 3 nights. Tap your check-in date first. This is day 1, the day you arrive and sleep your first night. With that selected, look ahead 3 calendar days and tap your checkout date. This is day 4, the morning you leave. You're not staying the night of day 4, you're checking out on that date after having completed 3 nights. Here's a clear example. If you check in on June 1st, that's your first night. You'll then stay the nights of June 1st, June 2, and June 3. Your checkout date will be June 4. On Airbnb, that June 1st to June 4 selection equals a 3-night stay. You'll often see the app display the total number of nights right on the calendar as you select, which is a helpful confirmation that you've got 3. If the dates don't look right, simply tap a new check-in date and select the correct checkout date again. The calendar updates instantly, so you can adjust without starting over. That's all there is to it. Open Airbnb, tap Search, enter your location, tap When, choose your check-in on day 1 and your checkout on day 4 to capture 3 nights. With your dates set, you're ready to explore places that fit your exact schedule.